Lending Club is primarily a technology company at heart. So we are in the fintech space, but primarily our main advantage is we're always in the forefront and cutting edge when it comes to technology. We want to make the loan process itself very easy. So software helps us do that. For example, it takes like minutes from you're sitting on your couch, or you don't have to physically go to somewhere like a bank, and you are filling the application. When we were small, we were using open source Jenkins with our custom build tools and scripts and monitoring stuff. But as we grew and as we scaled our teams as well as our products, so we found the need to revamp our architecture to move more to a microservice model, and then continuous delivery and DevOps transformation along with it. We were looking at, in terms of the tool, the usability, better traceability for developers, and then not just developers, but anybody involved in this process. We wanted to have a clear view of what's happening in the pipeline, what stage is the code in. I feel the success of CI/CD comes with how early are we able to catch the bug in the pipeline. So as you catch the bug later in the pipeline, it gets really expensive. Leveraging the pipeline, the library, and CloudBees, we were able to run the build even before it's checked in. So if you're able to catch it at that level, first thing, the bug hasn't escaped into the code base. Second thing, you are not affecting your fellow developers. The CloudBees version and the Blue Ocean view, it makes it a lot easier and much more production grade to trace the issue. When we were trying to provision the slaves and tear them up and down, we had our own tools to do that. But with CloudBees, we were able to provision the build agents in a smarter way, and then also able to monitor the usage leveraging DevOptics. DevOptics gives us a bird's eye view of how well we are managing our build resources. Are we over provisioning? Are we under provisioning? And when it comes to other product, we are looking at value streams where, because we have hundreds of microservices, we can get a bird's eye view of how the pipelines are doing. I don't want my team to be spending their day-to-day how to manage the infrastructure. So CloudBees plays a major role in providing us enterprise-grade Jenkins to manage our infrastructure. We are really happy with the recent CloudBees assisted upgrade process. So if there are any unforeseen issues, they're ready to jump in and help us resolve it right away. That really is a very big productivity booster. Naturally, anything that's productivity booster helps the developers focus on their code and not worry about internal details of having to use the tools.